Hello coffee lovers and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Delongi Magnifica espresso machine. The main issue was the control panel was not functioning correctly, and now it is. So let's go ahead and make a shot. And what we did to fix it is we replaced the control panel, and we also descaled the machine. The customer was having an issue with not being able to properly descale the machine, and this was part of the malfunctioning buttons. As you can see, there's no drip tray with this machine, so we're just balancing this cup here. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. We have a nice flow of espresso. Let's go ahead and check the steam. You can see we have nice strong steam coming out of the machine. So please take a moment to like our video below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee.